Hello, it's your buddy Phil, Project Management Trainer and Coach. It's a very quick run through of 7 ways to speed up your PMP exam prep. I find a lot of people going through months and months trying to understand simple concepts. Do you know that they exist out there free on YouTube, a plethora of videos that can help you rapidly understand all the building blocks for your PMP exam? Let's start off going to the mothership. The very first one is the 6th edition. Like it or not, the 6th edition is a landmark in the world of project management. A lot of colleges still use the 6th edition. So the 49 processes of project management, along with the 5 process groups and 10 knowledge areas, give you a very good building block to understand project management. You can find a free crash course on the 49 processes in under an hour right here at this link. All links will be posted below. Secondly, take a crash course on the PMBOK Guide 7th edition. The 7th edition is a maze to understand. The reason is because it does not expose you to the understandings that you will get from knowing the 6th edition. When you understand the 6th edition, step 2 will be to take a crash course on the PMBOK Guide 7th edition. There is a free 2.5-hour crash course right here on YouTube. Again, you'll find the links to all of these videos below. So I highly suggest understanding the 12 principles that exist in the 7th edition and know what the domains are. The domains are pretty much a repackaging of a lot of information that you will encounter in the 6th edition and also in the Agile Practice Guide. That takes us to step 3. Take a crash course on the Agile Practice Guide. Again, there's a free link where you can get videos of the Agile Practice Guide condensed. There are so many videos available on this channel, but I've chosen to share one of the Agile Practice Guide. It's under 17 minutes. Watch it and understand the details in the Agile Practice Guide. Right now, I will give you a few key pages to look out for in the Agile Practice Guide. Pages 8 and 9 on the manifesto, 14 on the Stacy complexity model, 18 and 19 to understand predictive, iterative, incremental, and agile. Also take a look at pages 49 and 50 to understand the concept of chartering. Take a look at page 33, 37, and also pages 90 to 95 that will help you understand how Agile works from a knowledge area lens. This is so invaluable. Also, the glossary contains a lot of great information. Number 4, take a crash course on the PMP exam content outline. This, after all, is what your exam is based on: people, process, and business. But in one of the links that I have here, absolutely free for you right here on YouTube, you have a breakdown of the PMP exam content outline from an Agile lens. This is so invaluable if you're getting ready for the exam. Number 5, take a crash course in Scrum and read the Scrum Guide. Why Scrum? Taking a look at organizations that exist in the world today, about 71% of them are Agile in some way, use Agile in their practices in some way. Now, some of them might be hybrid, but they introduce some forms of Agile. Now, of those organizations that use some forms of Agile, do you know that 90% of those organizations use Scrum, some elements of Scrum, or Scrum in totality? So it behooves you to understand Scrum going into your PMP exam. Again, you've got a couple of links. You've got a link where you can look at how Scrum works visually, and you have another link that reads the Scrum Guide from start to end. Take a look for those links below. Number 6, take a crash course that bridges all PMP exam components. A crash course on everything you need to understand for your PMP exam. The content outline, the Agile Practice Guide, the 7th edition and the 6th edition. It is all there in that link below for absolutely nothing, for free. Number 7, schedule your studying and exam. If you fail to plan, you already know that you're planning to fail. So why not use a solid plan? Again, you can find it right there at that link, learn.pmsucceed.com/PL. You see it all on the screen. Highly suggest you go to that link, and there's a video that shows how that schedule was built in Microsoft Project. So you want to use a schedule to decide when to study. The time of the day to study should also be taken into account. You want to study when you are at your best, not when you've been beaten up from the day. Study at your best and you'll get the best results. So that concludes 7 ways to speed up your PMP exam prep. Take a look for this link, tinyurl.com/PMP crash. You can get all of these videos in one playlist right there on YouTube. It's absolutely free. Now the ball is in your court. What are you going to do with all this information? Get certified. Begin your journey today in all earnestness, and let's get this done as soon as possible. Thanks for joining me. You take care. Bye for now.